Gautam? We were brought up in an orphanage. Father Joseph was everything for us. Hussein was very close to me, not to anybody, and we were very close each other. After schooling, we apart from each other, and I joined engineering course and he joined psychology. After completion my engineering course, I got a job. It's UK based company, and he also continued his further study MSc. Though I was staying in UK, we were connected to each other. Father Joseph was calling frequently to us. Before 6 months, Father Joseph passed away. So then our connection was too less. I think 1 week ago I got a call and message to
Hello? What happened, huh?
I was in conference. Just now I got free. I saw your message and call.
I seriously don't know what's happening to me. I feel very scared and I'm not able to concentrate on things. I feel very upset. I feel like my head might burst anytime.
Hey, are you okay? Is there anything happened?
Really, I'm not. I'm not able to differentiate myself and my thoughts is like what's happening. I feel my mind is not under my control.
Hey dude, don't confuse yourself. After doing therapy and learning so many psychology mind, you're getting confused yourself. It's all about your thought, man. Just chill out.
I don't know. But
Hey, I will call you back. I have urgent meeting now. So that time I was also busy.
Gautam, how was his studies? And I want to ask you about his relationship with his PF and faculties in college.
Actually, he was good at study. He loved the subject. He used to read a lot. He knows everything in psychology. But
Do you have any idea when he started using drugs?
now only I came to know that he is using such stuffs. During our bachelor, we just experienced such things. But it was experiment, not more than that.
We all will be having different kind of problems in our life, and we will be using different way of dealing with it. So Hussein, what he was doing for dealing with his stresses?
He used to roam around a lot. He was sharing everything with me. But since 6 months, we are not much in contact.
But still, time is not exceeded. We can offer a lot of support to him, especially a person like you, because you have been a great support for him in the past, and you are doing really a good job. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, that's true. I will be there for him. Thank you so much. Hey, dude, why you didn't have it? Hey, have it. Take. Have it.
by the way, did they say that I am a man?
What?
Now I know they will call out with their pet names for my conditions and they will prescribe some kind of a medications. No one can understand my conditions, nor you. Even you can't understand.
Exactly. There is a difference. If you want to change, then only we can. It's all about how we perceive things. Come, let's go for a walk.
No, I don't want to go.
Hey, come on.
Sorry. I'm unable to believe that I'm hallucinating, and I need to take treatment for lifelong for mental illness now. You know, from childhood, I wanted to keep helping others, and that's why I took this course, and I thought I would be helpful for others. Now, I don't think so that's going to be possible. Rather taking this medicine now, I feel like not living at all. I seriously don't know what to do. I know what your people are going to say now, but I am diagnosed with psychosis and I am under medication and will be recovered soon. Is there anything else?
Hussein, I am agreeing what you are saying. Most of the thing I am agreeing, but it is not that simple as you are saying. You may have learned about this condition during your UG, PG, but what you have to understand is that this condition requires a lot of professional help.
Yes, I know, but
I understand what you are going through, and I know it will be very difficult for you to convince yourself that you are having this condition. And the thing is that this condition is actually manageable.
I know what you're saying, but how could I get back to my whole life, my daily routine life? I dreamt about becoming a clinical psychologist. No, how is it possible?
I know these are realities, and some of these problems are actually having practical solutions. Hussein, do you know time is a healer? Time is going to heal your problem also, but you have to give some time. What is important is to recognize this as a problem, and you have to understand how you are going to manage this problem. From our side, we will be offering medication and therapy and also some interventions. So we will be having short term and long term goals to achieve. So we will be taking one step at a time. So what you have to do is that you should be understanding the emotions and you should be engaged in activities that will make you more happy. And I want Gautam also to assist him when he is not able to motivate himself. So you will be giving motivation to make him engaged. So we will be having a collaborative work. So we will be working as a team.
Okay, I will try.
Whenever there is a need, you can contact me over phone.
Initially, I couldn't imagine how will I able to live a normal life and that too without drugs. But after taking medications regularly, I'm able to handle my stresses and my emotion and I'm able to enjoy my life now.
Okay, so you finally reached the point.
You know the best part is he's going to fund my project and this month I'm going to start my rehab.
Definitely I will be there.
Now I realize there is life after mental illness.